Hello, and welcome to another in the Ask the Data Governance Coach video series. Now, way back in 2021, somebody sent me in a question to ask me what a data governance framework was. And I did one of these videos on it, and you'll find the link in the comments below. But bizarrely, nobody's asked me many questions about them since, until recently, that is. And I had an email from somebody asking me, but why do we need a structure for a data governance framework? And I thought this was an interesting question and definitely one I wanted to cover in a video. So here it goes. So why do we need a structure for a data governance framework? Well, to begin with, let's think up first, what is a framework? Well, if you look up the term framework in the Oxford English Dictionary, it says there's a basic structure underlying a system, concept, or text. Now, data governance is, I suppose, not a text, but it's most definitely a concept. And more importantly, it's a system. It's a way of managing and looking after our data that we want people to adopt to our organization. Now, when we're first doing data governance, go around talking to people about the importance of it, we can get people enthusiastic. We can get them to decide that they do want the business benefits that implementing data governance will bring. But what we find it hard to do is to get people to do things consistently. So basically, we need a structure, and that is why it's called a data governance framework. We need a policy that tells people what we're going to do. We need some processes that tell people how we're going to do it. And we also need some roles and responsibilities. We need to make it very clear who is going to do the doing of these processes. So if we don't have a structure, we can go around and talk to people about whether they're a data owner and might own some data. But if we don't have, say, a clear process documented and agreed for dealing with data quality issues, I might inspire you to fix some dirty data, but in fixing it in a way that suits you, you may cause a problem for somebody else further downstream. So having a structure is absolutely vital when it comes to successful data governance. So don't think it's just something you can skip and just go on to talking about these vague concepts. We have to be very structured in how we design and implement our data governance. So I hope that's helped. And if you want to find out a little bit more about what's in a data governance framework, don't forget to click on the link to my previous video below. If you have found this useful, please help me and my mission to help as many people as possible be successful with data governance by liking and commenting or sharing this on your choice of social media. Thanks so much for your help.